Hi guys, welcome to my 2.1.8, which is Splitlines method class. So this is part of string methods, and so on top of the strings subtopics. Okay, in this class, I'm gonna teach you about how to use the split lines in your projects. Most of the time, we're using split, but split lines is much better than split for me. So most of the time, I'm using in my projects because it is really lifesaver. I will tell you how to use that, and you will understand what I mean. So let's get started. Firstly, let's say I have a text, and in text, it's just about me. Okay, I'm just saying, "Hello, my name is." Let's say, "My name is Muhammad," and then I have backslash r and backslash n in this case. Okay. So why I added that just to explain you. So how it works. Let me continue, and after that I will explain all of them. And then I just want to say I am living in, let's say, Israel, for example, and put again backslash r and backslash n. Say life is so good, and put again backslash r and backslash n. As you can see, sometimes our data can be like that. When we want to delete or remove them, we can use split lines methods and we will not see anything there. And just split lines will separate from this point to each of the items. So it will look like, "Hello, my name is Mohammed," and there will be like empty space. Another item will be, "I'm living in Israel," and there will be empty space, which is separator point, and "life is so good" is the third item. So we can access all the items step by step. Let's run first this one. As you can see, "Hello, my name is Mohammed. I'm living in Israel. Life is so good." It is still string, right? This one is string, string. So now I want to apply my method. You can say new text, and I'm just saying like apply for the text and use some string methods. For example, we will use speed lines, right? It is much flexible than speed. In speed, we can we can just choose whatever we want to separate, like items from which point, which is from commas or from dot or from question mark or from even exclamation mark or whatever else. But in this case, you're just using that for backslash or backslash and for this guys. We don't need to add there any like something like that. It doesn't work for that, okay? It is just like that. So let's continue. In this case, we'll just say int new text. When we run that, it will just ignore this backslash r backslash n backslash r backslash n and backslash r backslash n. So there there will be nothing. Just three items will be there. This guys, okay? When I run that, see. "Hello, my name is Mohammed. This is our first item. I am living in Israel. This is second item. Life is so good. It is our third item. Where is this backslash r backslash and this like sixth time we apply, right? They are not there. Why? Because it's about our splitlines method. Our splitline methods, just ignoring them, okay? Just deleting them from there. So it is just putting there like empty space, okay? It means that. So we can apply for our projects when we see there this backslash r or backslash n. Even if we have a lot of stuff like that, we can just apply split lines to escape from them or to save our lives. Okay, this is the way how we can use that. It will be helpful in the future for you. Let's say new text and zero. So this is first item, which is hello, my name is Mohammed, and run that and see. Hello, my name is Mohammed. It's just here. That's all. So we have also in here a parameter, so which is keepins. Keepins is just meaning if you say true, you can see all these guys there in the displaying output. So all these guys will be there if we say keepins true because it keeps all objects there in this string. Okay, let's run it, see what we will see there. So by the way, just delete this accessing point and just run again. Okay, hello, my name is Mohammed, backslash r backslash n, and we have again backslash r backslash n backslash r backslash n in here because it's just keeping these objects there. Okay, like operators, these guys, newline and row. So what if I say false? When I say false, it's saying please, like, don't keep them to be there. Okay, just delete them from there. I don't want to see anything there. It is our like how to gonna say, so automatically like that. Okay, so even if you didn't add, it is same. I mean, if you add there, it's also there. Yeah, that's all. Can you see that? Amazing. So you can just apply when you want, when you need this method. Most of the time it will be helpful than split. Okay, but yeah, their field is different. I mean, sometimes they can be required in some point, but most of the time you can use split lines to just work on good projects. So next class will be about format method. See you there. So that's all. Thank you for the joining.